Sanibona bafowethu nawa ama-fixture asisalele la out-13 bafowethu. Chiefs sesihlalela 1 selu away, iPolokwane, iSolewele, iGalaxy, i-Arrows, iBay home and away, amaZulu, oBethi, Stellenbosch, iMagesi, iDurban bafowethu, iVala eDurban, but sobe sifahle behlala home. Bafowethu lapha ngizoveza izinto that I think can impact us, because i-mandate for me is to win i-league, ne? So ngizokhuluma ngezinto that I think could be solutions or could be ama-challenges. This thing bafowethu, this is unity. So far ama-GD waphethe kahle. Before i-game, i-pitch inspection yenziwa as a unit. Bengene bonke lapha enethini as a unit, bewokhe bonke. Like you could tell ukuthi team i-united nangedabi isikhombisiwe separate like nje. This guy bafowethu, I feel like singama-fans abanye bethu nje undermine uSibisi. I know ukuthi is not a smart center back, but bafowethu ngaphandle kwakhe currently aselutho bafowethu. Lo mjida indlela azinikela ngakhona, indlela acompete ngayo. How many times have you seen uCM getting injured ngenxa yama-duels? But how many times have you seen him bafowethu ama-stitches ekhanda? We don't expect i-center back ezoba njengane-McLeod. We expect uGandaganda onjenganaye. Wes njengamanje is more smart. He doesn't just create ama-fouls nama-penalties. Kade ngamgcina ukumbona edla ama-penalties like before. Indlela kuma-duels, indlela azinikela ngayo. And one thing asegude ngayo, good ukuphasa ibhola, ukuswisha ibhola. Like you could tell ukuthi leadership yakhe is what we need. It's not a very loud player, but a smart player. This guy, kuthiwa uma ngabe into osasenayo awuyiboni, lo mjida bafowethu will play a very big role. Yazi ukuthi noma kuthiwa i-team strong kanjani, but uyamdinga u-goalkeeper because ibhola lizofika again singathandi. So currently angikhululekile ngokuthi ibhola liyemuva because ukhona uChina. Uyasilekelela kuma-distributions, uyasilekelela ngokuthetha. We need a leader lapha. Uyasilekelela nangama-saves agcine team, not just ukuthi amanye ama-game siwawina, but amanye kumele siwawine ngani nge-goal difference. So right now I think kunama-clean sheets out-13 kumdlalo like I think 19 games. It tells you what kind of a keeper he is. So I'm not content ngaka left back or right back. We have many players abazocompete lapha. 9 bafowethu McLeod. Yabo lo mlenze lo right ngathi ngawunikwa owami because I vele awusebenzi kakhulu. Bafowethu, this player is just Mbatha is something else. If we can have a fit Mbatha for the whole season, I'm telling you, we are staying good chance ukuthi si win i-league bafowethu. Like he control one of the midfielders akwazi ukuthola ibhola enze 10 afese forward. That's all we need. I-midfield ikwazi ukulanda ibhola emuva, iphenduke, iphasele umfokeni. You always see aborele nabo police ticking. Kwidabi we were ticking because he passes like ibhola hlala kancane uCM. Kwidabi how many times have you seen uCM enze pass noma uSibise air forward? No man, if ngekho you see eJabathane ephasa or wherever khona noma ku-center back. Umdala is such a very important thing eyenzeka kuthina. Si-attack ngama-wing backs because of him. We just need to simdlale ne-midfielder right. It's what I see. Mangabe simdlala ne-midfielder wazi ukukhombana nayo because unemlenze, une-energy. I-combination bafethu e-midfield yona ezosiza. Currently we have bafethu i-absentia yalo mjida. It's worrying for me. Umbule angimboni Jim, angimboni kuma-activations. Kanti absentia yama-midfielders anjenganaye aboDlamini, I think aboSelepe nganoma balimele, I'm not sure. I won't lie, uMereko is not ready. uDejong is not ready. We need ama-midfielders azothola towards ilokuzana. And njengamanje combination ngiyibona isebenza eyaMbatha noMakhawula. So it's very, because uNduli angazi noma usazobuya yini, but nanoma ebuya kumele abuye kancane for lama games out 18. So I'm worried about the combination in Mickleford. Bafowethu, this guy Bafowethu, is like I don't need ukuthi ngizencaze indlela abala ngayo kulama games asele. Uyakwazi ukwenza inqumo right, uyakwazi ukusilekelela is a number 10, is a left forward, is a right forward. Uyakwazi ukuskorela amagoli, assist anawo kule season, ama-goals anawo kule season. I think this season he might get a double figure yamagoli, if not amaningi. And for me currently is a Mickleford contender of the season ngendlela enza ngakhona, like is indlela aba involve ngakhona egamini, so siyamdinga kakhulu. Another concerning thing for me is going forward bafowethu. Ngine-concern ngabadlali like i-depth njengamanje. Basically if we're going forward siba fluent mangabe sinopolice uMoremi uMfukengi egamini eyi-1 once wabeka omunye ngaphandle team ayifunction kahle. So we have Umsendami ngaphandle. I don't think he's ready. Ahlahle uyangidisappointa because akafiki kaBetway udlalele against Pirates, but he's not showing us. Ufuna ukuthola kakhulu iPirates uTijong naye is not ready. So nginaleyo problem ukuthi what if we lose one winger, sizoba like what are we gonna do, especially let's say we lose Mfokeng, what are we doing nge-number 10 role? And us now plan B njengamanje. I've seen Sundowns uSalengo ubuyile and he's doing things. uModiba ukhona, uRenas ubuyile. Hey bafowethu, so ngile problem ukuthi njengamanje do we have an answer ebenchini? Kubuya ngazo ukuthi asinayo depth, but isinayo kodwa but asinayo depth because it's clear ukuthi we can't rely kumsizamo njengamanje. So we really need ama-players athengiwe ukuthi asilele quick and fast. So date is bafowethu, we really hope ukuthi siyofika lapha kumaZulu at least indlela icacile. So beswabukile ama-game ngapha simingile, sizoyiminyela nje iSundowns njengoba idlala I think ngoLwesithathu or tomorrow thina uhlela ngoLwesithathu. So let's go there bafowethu, danko.